If you want to know how to claim free Steam games quickly and safely, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find free games on Steam, claim them to your account, and also how to spot limited time giveaways so you never miss out. This is a simple method that works whether you're looking for permanent free-to-play games or special free promotions that are only available for a short time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming guides just like this one. Let's jump into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Steam store. You can do that by typing store.steampowered.com into the address bar. Once the site loads, sign in with your Steam account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account first because you must be logged in to add games to your library. Now that you're on the Steam homepage, look at the top menu and hover over Categories. A drop-down menu will appear with different browsing options. From there, click Free to Play. This will take you to a section filled with games that you can add and play without paying anything up front. Once you're on the Free to Play page, browse through the list and open any game that looks interesting. You can click the game title or the image to open its store page. On the game page, look to the right side of the screen for the green Play Game button. Click that button and Steam will begin the process of adding the game to your account. Confirmation window may appear next. If it does, review the details and then confirm the action. After that, the game is officially added to your Steam library and you can download and play it whenever you want. That means even if you don't install it right away, it stays attached to your account. Now let's talk about limited time free giveaways because this is where a lot of people miss out. These are games or items that are free for a short period of time, but you have to claim them before the promotion ends. To find these offers, stay on the Steam homepage and look for banners or featured sections that say things like free, free to keep, or weekend deal. If you see one of those banners, open the event or promotion page right away. Read the details carefully so you know exactly what's being offered and when the deal expires. Then look for the green claim or add button and click it before the event ends. Once you claim it, the game should be added to your account just like any other Steam purchase, except you didn't have to pay for it. A good tip is to check Steam regularly because free promotions can appear without much warning. Some are tied to events, some are temporary giveaways, and some are permanently free-to-play titles that are just hidden deeper in the store. If you make it a habit to check the free-to-play section and the Steam homepage, you'll find a lot more free games over time. Also, always make sure you are claiming games from the official Steam store website or the official Steam client. That helps you avoid fake giveaway pages or scam sites pretending to offer free games. If anything looks suspicious, double-check the URL and make sure you're on Steam's official domain before logging in or clicking claim. So to quickly recap, the basic process is simple. Go to Steam, sign in, open categories, click Free to Play, choose a game, and hit Play Game to add it to your library. For limited time offers, watch for free banners on the homepage, open the event page, and claim the game before the deadline. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to claim free Steam games, please give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Steam tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.